Hello. If you've seen our videos before, then welcome back, and if you haven't, hello to you. This one's about our Lexent POLPERRO dehumidifier. It's a 30 litre powerful dehumidifier, but also offers state-of-the-art air purification for your home with UV sterilisation and true HEPA filtering. Keep watching for more details. The POLPERRO has three main functions: a dehumidifier, a 3-stage air purifier and dry mode for efficiently drying laundry indoors. The Lexent POLPERRO simply could not be any more stylish and is available in gloss white or metallic silver grey. The clean lines of the POLPERRO make it well suited to any home environment, while the metallic grey version is popular for home office or office. All functions of the POLPERRO can be easily controlled using the touch-sensitive gloss black panel. The POLPERRO's deflector will open automatically soon after switch on and can be set to either static or swing mode to efficiently distribute the purified air in your room. A light touch of the panel will switch the POLPERRO between dry, dehumidifier and air purifier modes. The POLPERRO's top illumination will change colour to give a live indication of air quality. The illumination will remain green if the air quality is good, but should the air quality diminish, it will change to yellow and then red accordingly. Condensed water from when using dehumidifier or dry mode is collected in the easy to remove reservoir. For continual drying or dehumidifier use, an external drain can be connected. When exhausted, the HEPA filter cartridge takes just seconds to remove. Replacement cartridges are available from us at Lexent in the UK. Just contact us. Well, as I'm sure you'll agree after watching that, the Lexent POLPERRO really is an attractive unit, and I can tell you that it's also a very powerful and versatile unit, and with the build quality offered by Lexent, you really can't go wrong. If you'd like to know more, visit lexent.co.uk. Thank you for your time.